Hello everyone, here is what my computer is doing perpetually over and over and over again, over and over and over again. See what happens. It has issues. I'm having problems. You know, I already put out parts 7 and 8 of this authority model series. Well, 6 was in the works before both of them. 7 and 8 were the results of the progress of 6. But I was unable to finish 6 due to some technical complications. And I am still dealing with those, more so right now. The problem is, the editing program that I use, Windows Live Movie Maker, suddenly stopped recognizing certain .mov video files. It will take .avi, it will take MP4, it will take .wmv files, but for some reason it will not take .mov. This is sudden. All of my SD cards, all of my stuff is .mov. So this is just sudden, and I can move some material from my computer into my project, but others, can't do it. I don't understand why. I shouldn't need a file converter if I've been able to do it this way all the time. But now I have this problem with the computer, so I'm suspecting maybe I have a hard drive problem yet again, even though this hard drive is not very old. It has been horribly noisy. Still a little bit noisy now, but it's nowhere near as noisy as it usually is. I think there's issues, and that's what's causing the problem with Windows Live Movie Maker, and why I have not been able to complete part 6. There's only 4 minutes of video left to put into this part 6, and it's done. The audio's done, everything's done. I just got to squeeze in this other 4 minutes of video, and we got ourselves caught up. And I can get on to the rest of this series and all the other stuff that I have planned. Whew. It's only so much time each day. And anyway, I don't want to get into it. Thanks for your patience.